Hello everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today I'm up with a new video. It is 6 best detox drinks for belly fat. So belly fat is a problem for all and we all know that festive season is coming now. So yes, here I'm up with 6 best detox drinks for your belly fat. Before heading towards the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update. Before I share with you the 6 best detox drink for belly fat, here is something that Mamaearth has recently sent me. This is Mamaearth Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash and Vitamin C Face Milk. It's a 2-step skincare regime. The very amazing thing that I really like about it is that the face wash has this silicone brush and a foaming pump that makes it very easy and hassle-free to get rid of the extra dirt from your face. Also, it provides 250 pumps and can last up to 90 days. That's really good for a face wash to last. Next important thing is that it has vitamin C as its main ingredient that keeps your skin really healthy and clean for a longer period of time, and it's very good for your skin immunity. Next is the vitamin C face milk that has the main ingredient vitamin C that keeps my skin really hydrated, and because it's winter season your skin tend to become dry very easily, so moisturization is really important. So I believe that this smells divine and really helps my skin to not get dry and smooth throughout the winters. As you all know, I support Mamaearth product because they are cruelty free and has PETA certification. Right now they have also started up a plant goodness initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to tree they plant, and also they recycle up to 120 metric tons of plastic every month. It's an Indian brand and hence vocal for local. So definitely you can check the link in my description. You can get 20% off by using code GLOW2020 on mamaearth.in. Also it's available on Amazon, Mamaearth and Nykaa. Now let's begin with the first detox drink. It is a lemon ginger detox. So basically all of these ingredients that we are going to use in these drinks are really good for your belly fat in order to curb the most vulnerable fat deposits from your body and helps you get rid of bloating. So basically we are going to add about 1 lemon in this detox water. We all know that lemon acts as an amazing fat burner, has powerful antioxidant, great vitamin C value. So definitely this will boost losing fat from your body and definitely get rid of extra bloating, indigestion problems and aids your metabolism. After that we are going to add some ginger. Ginger acts as a powerful antioxidant, has great anti-inflammatory properties. So definitely half ginger, just sliced a little bit, just add it in this detox drink. So basically we need not to fine chop it because we are going to use the extract. Just chop it a little bit into 2 to 3 cubes and add this. After that we are going to add 1 stick of cinnamon. Cinnamon is really good for your skin, for your bloating problems and great for digestion as well. So 1 stick of cinnamon we are going to add, and after that we are going to add some lukewarm water. I always recommend going for lukewarm water because it boosts digestion process. So definitely go with lukewarm water and close it and keep it aside for at least 2 to 3 hours, and after that you can consume it throughout your day. By having this detox water throughout the day, you will really see a major difference in getting rid of those bloating problems. Also acidity will be reduced, your digestion will be better, and definitely your metabolism will boost, and hence you will get rid of extra belly fat from your body. So next up is cucumber lemon detox. So cucumbers are basically those kinds of vegetables that are really filling with very less amount of calories. So when you have this water, your appetite will get reduced because you will feel full for most of the time and you are not consuming any calories. So as a result, you will definitely lose weight, and caloric deficit will make sure that you get rid of your belly fat as well. So basically you have to chop cucumber, one full cucumber, and into round small slices and add this into a glass container. After that, we are going to add about 1 lemon into it. Make sure that you add this before adding to water to make sure all your lemon extract is mixed well with your cucumbers as well. After that, just add 1 cup of lukewarm water and close the lid of this jar and keep it aside for 2 to 3 hours. Then similarly, you can consume it throughout the day. This will really help to boost your digestive system, will help you get rid of bloating, will help you keep full for a longer period of time because of its high satiety value. And basically, when cucumbers, you feel like eating a lot of it, but at the very same time you are not consuming so many calories. So yes, definitely this detox water will make sure that you end up consuming very less calories than regular, and is one of the most amazing waters that you can have in order to get rid of the belly fat. Next is apple cider vinegar detox. Apple cider vinegar detox is just one of the best detox when it comes to belly fat. Apple cider vinegar just act as a magic when it comes to getting rid of extra fat deposits or cellulite from your body. Add about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass. Then add about 1/4 tablespoon or a pinch of cinnamon. After that, we are going to add about half lemon. Then add 1 glass of lukewarm water. And your apple cider vinegar detox is ready. You can have it in morning or you can have it after your meal, just 1 time a day, because apple cider vinegar is really acidic, so you cannot have it more than 1 time a day. After that, we have coriander detox. Now, coriander also acts as an amazing fat burner and very few of us know about it. This is one of those vegetables that we have that really helps to get rid of bloating, acidity, and have lot of antioxidants in them, great anti-inflammatory properties, helps you boost your digestive system, and yes, hence metabolism of your body. So we add about 4 to 5 strands of coriander, half ginger. And as I told you earlier, ginger plays a very important role when it comes to boosting number of antioxidants in your body, great anti-inflammatory properties. Then half lemon, and we're going to blend this together by adding about 2 glasses of water. And yes, your coriander lemon detox is just ready. Very few of us know that these coriander leaves that are used for dressing soma and adding that extra flavor can be used as that amazing fat cutter drink as well. So definitely you can have this fat cutter juice in morning or after your meals as a snack. This acts as an amazing fat burner, and yes, try it out for yourself. Next up is a fat burner coffee. I have shared this a lot of times in my previous videos as well. This works as a magic for sure. Basically, it's a black coffee, simple to make. You just have to add about 1 tablespoon of coffee, add hot water, and then we are going to add a 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and your fat burner coffee is ready. So this fat burner coffee has so many benefits. It provides lot of energy to sustain throughout the day. It actually reduces your appetite by making you feel full, giving you that feeling of fullness with very less calories. Really helps. I have this in my intermittent fasting window because it doesn't have any calories and it's great for giving you energy for a lot of period of time. So have it in morning, and I won't recommend having it more than 2 to 3 times a week, because definitely it has caffeine, so you should not have it more than 2 to 3 times a week. Last but not the least is the green tea detox. Green tea, a powerful antioxidant, helps to get rid of your belly fat for sure. But here we are not using hot green tea, we are using a little bit of lukewarm, or you can say cold green tea, and then we are going to add a pinch of cinnamon, powerhouse of antioxidants again, and half lemon into it. And it's very simple to make. This green tea detox really helps you get rid of all the acidity problems, bloating problems, all gastronomical issues, and you are just done. So yes, these were all 6 amazing detox drinks to get rid of belly fat, and I assure you that by having this for a week you can get the best possible results when it comes to get rid of bloating, acidity problem, digestive problems, and many other problems. So yes, I hope you will find this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye, stay fit, stay happy, bye bye.